Hello everyone. So last time we worked on this spawning the bird flock and then alert system, so they fly away when one of these birds alerted with this wolf. So actually this will work for the player character too. So right now let's see how to make them come back and land again on the ground after a while. So yeah, now as you can see they are coming back to land again. And this flock is also coming from that side. Alright, so if I go again they will be alerted and fly away. Okay, let's see how to do those things. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for your support. Okay, so now that the characters, the birds can fly away when we go there, and actually if only one of the birds are alerted, all of them fly away. They follow the lead character, and they behave as a flock. So right, all right, so now I want to work on how to make them come back and land again on the ground after a while. Okay, right, so let's go to chbird, and for the leader here in the alerting, so the start flying is only applied to the leader here. Oh no, report threat. So yeah, okay, then after the leader tells everyone to fly, let's have a delay. For now I'll keep it like 20 seconds, because otherwise it will be hard to test. We will have to wait a long time to see them come back and land. Right, so when we start flying, let's save this location. Let's call it land location. And instead of a delay, let's make this a re-triggerable delay, because the reason is, what if the leader is alerted again when he's about to land? So therefore this delay should be reset. So we can do that with a re-triggerable delay. Right, now after 20 seconds this character should land. So how to make it land. So first let's check the flying moment. And this is what applied for the random flying moment. Okay, now let's add an output just in case we need something after this to execute, but for now we don't have such a requirement. So right, this I'll call it let's collapse this, let's call it random fly. And here let's have a new variable called land. It should be in the type of boolean. So let's have a branch. If land is false, well then we should keep flying randomly, we don't have to land. Otherwise we should come to the landing point. So how should we do that? Let me collapse this too. Landing. Here I will add moment input towards the location the character needs to land, which is this one. Get land location and get that location. So with this we can get unit direction vector and fly towards that direction. And if the distance between this target and land character and the land location is less than, let's say 50, let's have a branch. No, let's see if this is not less, larger than 50, we should keep flying. Otherwise we should land. So for landing I'll make another custom event, land. We have land on ground. Okay, now I'll set moment mode to walking, and then let's have a delay of, let's say randomly 1 to 2 seconds. And again let's start random walk, and once we call land on ground let's set land to false. Right, okay, now landing, I think landing part is done for the leader, but what about the followers. Right, let me collapse this too. And this is follower flying. Okay, so once the leader is landed, it should tell other characters also to land. So how do we do that? Alright, we can, oh wait, let's again take a look at the flying moment. Right, I think we should reorder this like this. We should, if the landing is true, it should be common for both leader and the follower. So let's reorder this part like this. If landing is false, this way. Right, now this landing function works both for the leader and the follower. Right, now after landing, if this is a leader, so if this is a leader, if this is only a leader, it will have a flock. Otherwise this function, this part will not be called. So for each loop, let's call it on the flock. Let's set land location to something like this. Okay, tactile location, get random reachable point in radius, let's keep it like 1000, and then set land to true. Alright, let's see now what happens. Okay, now they flew away. Where did they go? Okay, they're over there. And after 20 seconds they should come back if everything works right. In 20 seconds they should start to come back. Are they coming back? Not sure. let's see what's the okay, let me stop this. And what's this character name? chbird3. Okay, so now we can debug it. Oh wait, did we call this? Oh sorry, I should set land to true. Okay, sorry about that. Without that part this won't work. Okay, now let's check again, and we can check the status by in the debug mode here. Okay, now they are flying away, and yeah, in 10 seconds they should start to come back. Right, I think they are coming back. See, and let's see if they can land properly. They are still flying. Why is that? Let's see. Sorry, here we should call land on ground. Okay, we forgot that part. Right, now everything should be fine. Right, let's see. Fly away. Let's alert these birds too, and this flock too. Where's the first flock? Where did they fly off to? Oh, okay, they came back and flew again. Right, because I was there. Okay. Alright, now they landed here. See? Cool, so it is working. So let's see about the other group too. Right, the system is working. Let's alert them again. Now they are flying again. Cool. Let's inspect one of the flocks this time. Okay, they are coming back nicely. Maybe we should set them to have some random formation instead of being a straight line. Okay, One of them flew away. I'm not sure why. Is that the leader? Yeah, I think that's the leader. So the leader did not land. Why is that? What caused leader to fly again? We can debug and see that. Chbird. Let's select chbird. Okay. Now chbird is flying. I think this random fly node is the problem. Yeah. Where do we call this again? Right, here is the problem. Once I called random fly after a delay, yeah, I have this. Okay, so here we need to check is flying. Only if we are flying, we should call this random flying again. Okay, that should be the issue. Right, and they're gone. One flock is over there, and one flock is over there. Let's wait for them to come back. Right, now no one is flown again. Okay, so now let's set their formation a little bit. Because they come as a perfectly straight line when they fly and fly back to land, which doesn't look organic. So how to break that? Right, so here in the follower flying, we should randomize this. So let's promote this to a variable. Let's call it random offset. And by default it will be 0. Oh no, it will be 50, but in the begin play let's set random offset to something in between random floating range 50 to 100, or should we to 200? Right, now let's see how it looks. Okay, they flew again because I was here, but yeah, but I think that's good enough. See, let's wait for them to land. Oh no, they still come as a straight line. How to prevent that? Okay, so what if we do something like this? Let's set the delay here around 3 seconds and set this random offset again. So we should be able to break that strict single line formation. Right, I think that's better. Few of them were left on the ground because they got the land command off and it got a little mixed up. Okay, anyway, I think I'm satisfied with the result. So let's stop this episode right here. And again, thanks for watching. So the project files will be available to download here in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. Thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye. And feel free to let me know what else you would like to cover me in this bird flocking system.